too, so what more can I do? Here in the end, it's just me and you. I never wanted to play by all the rules, and knife in hands, I am playing out the part of the fool. So here we go, you can judge me thoroughly.
Too late for apologies.
Go ahead and just hit me since you're able. We know my determination isn't stable. I'm not even mad because I keep on dying, but I don't even know I'm trying. This isn't what I want, it's what I asked for. Curiosity over all my morals. I took away your perfect happy ending. We're setting the world despite the warnings. Right now I'm made of love. I know who you are. You remember who I am. We knew that once in a timeline we had grown to be good friends. And yet I killed your brother without giving him a chance. Every time you throw me down, I hope you kill me once again. So go ahead and just hit me since you're able. All the sin that I can feel is unbearable. If I could only hit you once, it would be over, but the consequences last forever. The flowers